Okay, good day viewers, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Make This channel. In today's class, I want us to learn binary operation. So today, I'm going to dissect the concept of binary operation. I want you to have the requisite level of understanding of what binary operation entails. So in today's class, I will just teach the concept, the types, and what it means. In my next class, I will start giving you examples of binary operation as well as solving difficult questions on binary operation. So please tune in to my channel. Thank you. So first of all, what is binary operation? What is binary operation? Let me divide the board. You know the way I do things. Binary operation, should I write? Binary operation is the system of mathematics. It is the system of mathematics, of combining two or more elements together with signs and symbols. Signs and symbols in a definite order, comma, patterns, comma, or operation. Okay, let me recap on this. I said binary operation is the system of mathematics of combining two or more elements together with signs and symbols in a definite order or patterns or operation. Did you understand? So now we have four types of binary operation. I want to go very in depth in this video. I want to go straight to the point. We have four types of binary operation. Types of binary. Types of binary operation. This is binary operation. Binary operation definition. Here now, types of binary operation. One is commutative. Say commutative. Good. Commutative binary operation. Commutative binary operation. Second, non-commutative. Non-commutative binary operation. Don't mind my handwriting. Third, associative. Associative binary operation. And the last but not the least, distributive. Distributive, binary operation. So let's continue over here. Let me give you the details of this. Now, number one is commutative. One is commutative. Now, what is commutative? Commutative is used when variables are it's used when variables are combined with signs and you have the same result. You have the same result. What do I mean? Let me use the example and strike balance here. I don't want to start writing the equation again. Like our board will get filled up. I don't have much space here. Commutative is used if a variable is combined with two or more signs and then get the same result. Okay, remove that two or more signs. If a variable is combined and you get the same result. Example, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Again, BA is equal to AB. Now, under commutative now, take note of this. Note, commutative has to do with addition and multiplication. So now if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, now look up. Using the first example, A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. This will give you 5. This will give you 5. This is commutative binary operation. This is where it is used if a variable is combined and that gives you the same result. Now, if you have BA equal to AB, B is 3 times 2 and A is 2 times 3. Now look up. 3 times 2 will give you 6 and this will give you 6. This is commutative. Hope you understood that. Yes. Let me continue. Number 2 is non-commutative. Now here, pay attention. Don't forget what I told you here. Anytime you remember commutative, two things should come to your mind: addition and multiplication. Now, non-commutative. This is used if a variable is combined with one or more sign and you don't have the same result. Or you can say, let me use this simple definition. Non-commutative is when a variable is combined and you don't get the same result. You can put it this way too. If it is used if variables is combined and you don't get the same result. Do you get the point now? So now, example of non-commutative. Using A, okay, if A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, A minus B is not equal to A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Let me do the way I did this now. Over here, A is 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. This one will give us 1, this one will give us minus 1. They are not equal. This is non-commutative. Do you understand now? Now, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. What do I mean? Our A is 2, right? And our B is 3. This is not equal to 3 divided by 2. There are two different answers. Do you get the point now? So this is non-commutative. Do you observe that two variables now were combined and they did not give us the same result? But here, two variables were combined and we get the same result. We got the result this one gave was the same with this. But here, different results. So therefore, note, in non-commutative, what you should know is that non-commutative deals with subtraction, subtract, this is subtraction, right? There should be C here, right? Is there C here? Subtraction and division. Subtraction and what? Division. So non-commutative has to do with what? Subtraction and division. The third one is associative. Associative. When we talk about associative, associative is used when it is a relationship of associative is a relationship of combining two or more elements. Combining two or more elements and you obtain the same answer, the same result. Combining two or more elements is a relationship of combining two or more elements to obtain the same result. For the word associative, associative simply means is an expression of multiplication. It is what? An expression of multiplication. So now, associative, remember we have used A, we've used B. Here now we're going to use, let's say if P equal to 2, Q equal to 3, and let me say, should I use 1, 2, 3? Let me just say R equal to, let me use 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And R equal to, and R equal to 3. How do you know associative? This is B asterisk. This asterisk here means times. Then bracket Q. We also use you can use asterisk here equal to R equal to, you can use here, you can say B bracket R asterisk Q. Huh? You have a question? Wait. So now, here, our P is 1 times bracket. Our Q is what? 2 times. Our R is 3. Equal to our P is 1 bracket. Our R is 3 times 1 times 3 times 2. Observe that 1 here will give you 6, right? And here will equally give you 6. This is associative. Have a question? Okay, ask.
Why is it that asterisk is used in place of multiplication sign in binary operation?
What, because in binary operation has its own principles and rules. It has signs. So each sign now has what it represents. For instance, we have something like this. We will use it as plus. We have signs like this, and we have signs like this. So, but I don't want to take you deeper into this. I want us to just stop at distributive, the 4 types of this. We just stop there for now. You understand now? We just stop there. Then our next class, I will start giving examples because I want to give example calculations or under commutative, even though I have done the peripheral aspect of it, level of it. I will give 3 examples on this, three examples on this, three examples on this before I will start solving hard and difficult questions on this. Do you get? So, do I still have space for? I think here we contain distributive, right? Okay, let me use here for distributive. Last but not the least, distributive. So, distributive binary is all about this means is used, or you can say it simply means spreading variables or elements over another when separated or combined. You get the point now? Spreading variables of an element over another when separated or combined. Example, we have let's use PQR again. Let's use P. If P is equal to 1, Q equal to 2, and R equal to 3. So we say P. Hope I told you that here in this associative it is a multiplication expression. I said something like that, right? Okay, I will still need to write it somewhere. Here. Here, just note that here is multiplication expression. Expression. Though I said it earlier. So here now has to do with both multiplication and addition. So what do? This one now is P asterisk bracket Q. Then you have this R equal to P asterisk R then Q. So this thing simply means P is 1 times bracket 2 plus 3 equal to 1 times bracket 3 plus 2. What do you have here? 5, and you have 5 here. Did you get? So that is that on the concept of binary operation. Remember what I said starting out this video. I said that I will only give you the meaning of this binary operation. I will explain, I will give you the types of binary operation which you've learned already. Commutative binary, non-commutative binary, associative binary, and distributive binary. And I explained what commutative means. And I said that commutative binary is used when variables are combined and you get the same result. This one, when variables are combined, you won't get the same result. Why? Because commutative binary has to do with addition and multiplication. That is commutative binary. Non-commutative binary has to do with subtraction and division. Did you get that? So we proceeded to associative binary. And I said that in associative binary, I said that this is relationship of combining two or more variables to obtain the same result. Relationship of combining two or more variables with another to obtain the same result. And I said that in a nutshell, this can be called a multiplication expression because it's all about multiplication. As you can see, we have P here, we have Q, we have R. We use asterisk here, likewise in the brackets. And the asterisk is a representation of times. 1 in bracket, 2 times 3 will give us 6. The other one there also gives 6. Now, on the last one, which is not the least, distributive binary. We say that this is used when we spread a variable over another, either it is separated or combined. You get? And this one has to do with both addition and multiplication. So these are the concepts of binary operation. In our next class, we are going to take examples on their individual types.